If you're over 60, fall prevention is one of the best investments in your health and independence. The following simple, doctor-recommended balance and strength exercises can be done at home without equipment. Aim for comfortable, controlled movement. Hold a countertop or sturdy chair for support as needed. If you're new to exercise or have medical concerns, check with your healthcare provider first. 1. Sit to stand, leg strength, and amp mobility. Sit tall on a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart and knees over ankles. Lean slightly forward, press through your heels, and stand up without using your hands if possible. Slowly sit back down with control. Start with 8 to 12 repetitions, rest, and repeat once. This trains the key muscles you rely on to get out of chairs and prevents wobbly moments. 2. Heel-to-toe walk, balance, and amp coordination. Stand near a counter. Place one foot directly in front of the other so your heel touches the toes of the back foot. Then take 10 to 15 slow steps in a straight line. Keep your head up and core gently engaged. Turn around and repeat. This tightrope pattern challenges your balance systems and improves stability while walking. 3. Standing side leg raises, hip strength. Hold the back of a chair. Keeping your torso upright, lift one leg out to the side a comfortable amount, no leaning. Pause 2 seconds, then lower with control. Perform 10 repetitions per leg, repeat for 2-3 sets. Strong hip muscles help stabilize the pelvis and reduce side-to-side sway that can lead to trips and falls. 4. Single leg stand, ankle and amp, core control. With a light fingertip hold on a counter, lift one foot an inch off the floor and balance for 10 to 20 seconds, then switch legs. Repeat 2 to 3 times each side. Progress by loosening your hold, then by turning your head slowly, left, right, while balancing. This builds ankle reflexes and core engagement essential for quick balance corrections. 5. Toe and amp, heel lifts, calf, shin strength. Stand tall behind a chair. Rise onto your toes, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and lower slowly for 10 to 15 reps. Then lift your toes with heels down, rock back onto your heels, hold 2 to 3 seconds, and lower for 10 to 15 reps. Strong lower legs improve push-off, braking, and stability on uneven surfaces. 6. Wall push-ups, upper body and amp posture. Stand an arm's length from a wall, hands shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall, keeping your body in a straight line, then push back to start. Do 10-15 controlled reps for 2 sets. Better upper body strength and posture support safer walking and reduce forward stoop that can affect balance. 7. Marching in place, dynamic balance, and amp endurance. Stand tall beside a counter and gently march in place for 60-90 seconds, lifting knees to a comfortable height and swinging arms naturally. Keep your steps rhythmic and light. This warms the body, improves coordination, and builds endurance for daily activities like climbing stairs and grocery shopping. How to put it together. Start with a 2 to 3 minute warm-up, easy marching, shoulder rolls. Then complete each exercise once. Over time, build to 2 to 3 sets per move, 3 to 5 days per week. Keep breathing steady, move slowly, and stop if you feel pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small steps done daily add up to major gains in balance and confidence. Safety tips. Clear your exercise area, wear supportive shoes, and keep water nearby. Use a stable surface for support and consider exercising with a partner or while someone is at home. If you use a cane or walker, integrate it for safety when practicing standing moves. The payoff. Falls are a leading cause of injury after 60, but targeted exercises can significantly improve balance, leg strength, reaction time, and independence. Commit to these 7 moves, track your progress, and celebrate each improvement. Strong today means steady tomorrow. If this helped, share it with a friend and consider subscribing for more health-related contents and tips.